dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
But it's an amazing talent as shown by that jump serve. 19 pa lang pala si Trevor, sa Oktubre pa siya magbebente. Eman Hernandez! Ilipad nito, tingnan mo. Our power spike, attack of the set. Jiangnan hot pot attack. Hot pot ba? Attack na sa Jiang. See where LaSalle goes. Guerrero goes back to Eman Hernandez again. Combination! Hernandez. Ito nasa national team. But still, LaSalle has won the first 2 sets. And again, the block point from Hernandez.
At kailangan namin i-showcase kung anong skills ang meron kami.
Hernandez! Buhay pa ba si Alabar? Lapit kaagad si Hernandez.
Oo. Medyo
Still
masakit.
licking his lips as we have our attack of the set. Jiangnan hot pot attack. Hot pot ba? Attack. Galing likod on the 1-2. Macam can't score. Hernandez! Field ng LaSalle is 3 points. Hindi na pinapapasok ang UST. Pero you're right, JV, napakatalim ng court.
Chris Hernandez right now. What a serve! And that turned out to be an air. Yun lang.
Yun lang blockers na itong LaSalle. Kasi kung merong papasok, katulad ng ganung palo, kaka-build ng confidence yan.
Yes, you know what he's going to do? Pinatama pa sa block. It's in. At the heart, one hand set.
I mean, look at this hit. Isolation play, oh. Wala siyang blocker at all.
Once again with a good set here.
Isa pa ulit para sa LaSalle. Chris Hernandez, nilakasan na.
Binilisan na niya. Yung ball control niya nandun na talaga. Ngayon, pagdating naman kay Coach Oji, ang pinapali siya kanya is yung net defense.
Also need to find their identity once again. They might start with that Chris Hernandez match. Nandun pa rin lang sila nakakapalo. Sila ayan, naka-ace pa si Iman. G-Boy, no good. Bernard, Iman Hernandez! You just have to choose your attacker if you're the Green Spikers. Facebook, V-League PH Facebook page, pati sa YouTube, V-League PH channel. Nakita ni Megan Cabrera kanina. That journey of Iman Hernandez. We're seeing it right in front of our eyes. Another denial.
Nandun naman yung Layug. And Hernandez.
May Layug. It's turning out to be another fantastic start from the Green Spiker. Ace of the set brought to us by Grab. Everyone on the side of the...
Valero with that good serve.
Chris Emmanuel Hernandez.
And yan ang ating Jiangnan attack of the set. Hot big Macam with a drop. Good dig here by Ventura. And how about that? Wasn't that much easy? Indication of how this last match is going to turn out. We're here to witness. And what an effort right there by LaSalle Hernandez. Siya nagtapos kanina. Hindi kami nagugutom every time we do a coverage. 4 na games.
Hernandez. Grabe yung pagka. It's the attack point. 5-4. Tied ball game at 6.
FEU. Attack tackle from the back row. Yun na si Chris Hernandez.
Exhaustion na nararamdaman. Especially this is already the championship. Bato, sabay palo eh.
Hernandez. Ventura. Hernandez. Gala. Got the line. Spatero. Adahar. Let's see this attack.
Third at saka fourth set. Magandang pinapakita na itong si Hernandez.
Jangnan attack the set. Hotpot ba? Attack na sa Jang.
Galaw ng attacker.
Coming up a timeout. Getting the point. De La Salle.
Yung attack, yung pala from the back. Hernandez comes. Look at that. No blocker for him. Nice play. Setter.
And there you go, it's De La Salle. This best of 3 final series. FAU has took game 1. La Salle has took set 1.
Nahahanap niya yung butas sa blocking system ng FEU. Ooh, don't count him out.
Kaibang energy. And even their demeanor here in game 2 for La Salle. Scrambling on FAU. And La Salle is... Hernandez got blocked. Guerrero up for La Salle. Hernandez again off the blockers.
Kahit na anong block, ang hirap ko sa kanya, magagawa niya ng paraan. He's not that tall of a player, but my good...
Hernandez got servants and ace.
Hernandez.
With this rally easy over for FEU. Adahar. Back row attack right there by Chris Hernandez.
Tayo yung pinanggalingan ng takbo niya. So the momentum, look at that.
Jangnan,
Grabe.
attack of the set yan. Hotpot ba? Attack na.
Nice one.
Amit. Grabe si Ada. Sobrang kumpiyansa, may tao sa likod. Basta maidig ko lang to, okay na to.
Now will be there for him.
At ating grab block of the set. Of course, Chris.
Ah.
Oh, got the line right there. Freddy Martinez. Vic Saavedra. And then look at this, Chris.
Yes. Don't we? Don't we love it?
Chris Hernandez.
Oh!
Overpass. Sharp serve right there.
Oh!
Who else? Hindi na natin. Wow! Prince Hernandez again!